What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we're gonna be unboxing a Wyze Cam, and I actually bought this for 2 moms, and they were out of stock today. Out of stock. So maybe they're out of stock since Christmas, but here is the cam. No, actually, this is the SD card. I also bought the micro SD card, but the micro SD card won. Well, here is the cam. They say we're gonna ship it on May 1st, but they ship it today. It's actually, well, you're gonna just open it. Yeah, that's gonna be it's so heavy actually. Okay, you just gotta open it harder. Okay, I'm gonna open the card because I've been waiting. I actually made a hole. I want to see if it opens, but it does actually open. I wonder why they did this, but wait, I don't think you could actually open it. I think my mom was right. Yeah, you need a scissors. Yeah, make sure you do the safety. Yeah, it's a Wyze Cam, and this one. It's a new Wyze Cam. It's like $20. But I don't know why they put it up. Okay, here's the SD card. Micro SD. Boom. See? It's my first time yet. It's so little. I wish I could even have this, but okay, I gotta download the SD memory zone tab. Yeah. Yeah, which basically I could connect it to my phone. This is the old version. Yeah, so you just basically just need. This is the micro SD card you probably might need for the Wyze Cam. Yeah, when we start opening this. Hello. Yeah, when we start opening this package. Well, how do you open it? This is where the cam is. Okay, just open it. Actually, let me just cut it like I have it. Doesn't want to show up directly, but should be good. Cut. There we go, my camera. Yeah, and the Wyze Cam is right. It's so little. Look, it's the second version, second generation. Here, it's Wi-Fi 811. Yeah, it's Android. It supports up to Android 5.0 and iOS 8.0, which I'm gonna show you how you install the app. In the box, you contain one Wyze Cam, one quick start guide, one USB cable, one power adapter, one wall plate, one multi-tape. I'm gonna tell you what these 2 layer. And this was invented. This one's say. But here, once again, things you shouldn't be showing it. Yeah, here's the Wyze Cam. It's so heavy. So basically, look, it says night vision, 40 days free. They give you a tray for free cloud backup and an 8 digital version zoom. And once again, yeah, you got 2-way motion detect. Yeah, so you're just gonna open it like this. Yeah, once again, I think just open with your scissors. You see? Yeah, I'm gonna use the iPhone 6 Plus. Actually, let me see. It must have a code. Give me a sec, guys. It's not focused. It's not even focused at all. I don't know why, but today my phone should act happy or no more. I don't know. It's because I never used it. Yeah, I make these scissors. Make sure you do this really safe. I don't know. What's this scissors? I want to see. This is so little. It doesn't even look like it just have. It doesn't even have the camera. What if it just only have the camera? But so little. That was gonna be a size of a phone or something, but no. I don't know. And they even put it there because it's even size over this. There. I don't want to focus. Okay, I'm almost done, guys. I was gonna have to want to hold. Whoa. Okay, it's opening. Okay, here. Here it's opened. Boom, we got the Wyze Cam. Wyze Cam. We've been waiting for you for 2 months. Why you didn't came out so early? Oh my god, this is the Wyze Cam. Let me take it out. Look at this. This is the Wyze Cam. And we're gonna open it. Open it. Whoa, where's it going? Oh, open it right here. Yeah, you open it right here. Yeah, you open it right here. Sorry about the noise. Yeah, here, and we just break it. I don't know. I'm gonna show you how the Wyze Cam. Okay, it's just made a hole. Whoa, look at this. You just put it up. Whoa, looks cool. And here it smells like. It smells so brand new because they barely made it. And this is where you insert the micro SD slot and the reset button. You can just push your finger in there. Yeah, but you do that if it's glitchy or not working. You don't do it for recommend. Yeah. Once again, here's the Wyze Cam. Here's the camera, the lens, the microphone. You see this hole? Your microphone, there's a hole and there's like a motion detector. And we got a speaker, it's like it has the shape of home, a USB port, a power button, and a light. I don't know what the thing. Yeah, once again, let's take out this. That's it. And we're gonna open this. Or we open it right here. Everything smells so brand new. And here's the cable. It's even like noodles mode. Because you could just eat. Remember how I unboxed my last time some rubber band. Remember how last time I unboxed what's it called my gaming set? Yeah, it was noodles mode. Yeah, and you basically what do is just plug it in. Make sure it's like this and you just put it in here. And make sure I do it. Yeah. And then you just place it right here. I'm just gonna place it up here. And then here's the magnet thing. This thing, and you just stick it on here. Yeah, if you want to stick it with something else. But I recommend, I don't know, I just want to make sure. And we got the head here. We got the head. Yeah, we got the head, like the Samsung head. Oh yeah, it looks like a light. It says Wyze. Ow, my back hurts. Yeah, Wyze. And to do it, we're gonna make sure we just extend it and just plug it in here. And here, boom. You want to make sure it projects. Make sure we project it on. Here. Always plug it in. I'm gonna plug it in. Alright. Alright. Plugged in. And the Wyze cam should be going on. There we go. We see yellow light. Orange, whatever. We turn it around. Oh, we have to push this button. It's flushing. There we go. So it has to make sure it's ready to connect. And I'm gonna get my iPhone 7. Let me set it up, please. Yeah, here we go. This is iPhone 7 Plus. Yeah. Ready to connect. Yeah, it's gonna keep repeating. Yeah, you click Wyze. Make sure if you enter the app, you just type Wyze. You type Wyze.
Daddy's here.
We're gonna type Wyze cam.
Daddy's here.
I'm recording. What's up, everybody? I had to record again because my dad came. So, actually, I didn't even know they had the guide. It was so invisible. Here's a quick start guide. Right here, we have the lens. Yeah, once again, I told you. Yeah, setup button. I didn't hold it right now. Setup. Yeah, I don't know the ways I'm creating an account. Oh, you can also record an email. If you guys don't, just create one. I don't know. But this is for this, you do. Oh my gosh. Went away. It just went off. Actually, I don't know how you just plug this in. It's super hard to plug it in. There, it's gotta be insert. Boom. Yeah, there's the yellow button. We want to make sure we hold it to be blinking. Let's just hold it. Hold the same button. There. There we go. Camera's there. Yeah, so you're gonna pretty much download the Wyze Camera app. I'll just edit, guys. Yeah, here. Type Z-E, Wyze Cam. Boom, and make sure you want to click here. Or just click install. Yeah, I'm going to have to enter my password. Yep. Yeah, installing right now. And we're gonna wait till it installs, guys. But pretty much, we're going to pretty much talk about. So, it didn't say ready to set up, which I'm really pretty worried. Oh, it's just insert the micro SD. Oh, it's downloaded. Let's open it. Read. Wyze Cam. Is this permitted? You want me to add the notifications? Email. We need to sign up for the email. And I'm going to type in that email and all that. Can you please hold? What's up, everybody? I'm done. You just have to verify me. The code is... I can't tell you. Yeah. Yeah, I'm almost done. Okay? Yeah, I created my own account. Okay, here we go. We're in the main menu. So, add new device. So, this is what you want to do. So make sure I don't know, just gotta copy, turn it up. Wait, oh, you got present. Oh, it says hold. It says connect your Wyze camera to a power outlet. Oh, there we go.
Ready to connect.
Already heard ready to connect, and you click it. You click menus 5G. That's awesome. That's my actual. And let me put my password. Let me hold, please. What's up, everybody? It says. This is so hard to do. Scan the QR code on this screen with the Wyze Cam by holding this code 5 inches away. Show me how. Oh my god. Why do you even want to scan it? Like, that doesn't make any sense. Okay, it says please wait. It's like you're calling somebody. Okay. I'll make sure it just projects. I was just trying to project. Okay. I heard ready. Please wait. I heard. Okay, it says connecting. Please don't pop out me. Okay, we'll just. Oh my god. Just wait. Sorry to do that, but I showed something inappropriate. Right there. Yeah, it's just connecting. Please hold. Once again, guys, there's a blue, yellow, white. I don't know what that means. Oh, it's blue. It's blue, yellow. But to me, I think you guys see it red. I don't know. Once again, we just try to unbox the micro SD card because also we include this thing. We're gonna keep that. That one you don't start it. That's like an adapter to connect it to your computer or DS or anything. But I connect it to my phone. Yeah, there's even to files, which and you just pretty much just pretty much take it out. You just see it here. It's still connecting. I wonder why. You wanna see? Oh, you gotta view this. Open how? What are you opening? Okay, right there. Boom. Okay, took it out. We gotta make sure we take out the micro SD. Yeah, we're gonna take out the adapter. Make sure you don't make it go bad. Take out the adapter. Oh, I took out the micro SD. No, look how thin, so small is it? It's so small. Want to focus on it? Yeah. I have one of the micro SD cards, so I know how to use it. Yeah, I wish I could have it, but where's the cam? Oh, right here. It's just still connecting. What can we do is just make sure you open. No, wrong way. Open it like this. There we go. And make sure you insert it. There's a mini picture on it. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Can you please hold? What's up, everybody? I'm really sorry. It's my second time. Okay, once again here. Yeah, it's so hard to do this. Yeah, here we go. Make sure we just. There's a mini logo there. Hello. There we go. And make sure you plug it in like the icon. You want to make sure you insert it in here. Do you hear click? It's always a click. There we go. Click. So that means it's connected. There we go. Connection failed. Why? What? I inserted. Let me see something. My phone just kind of. Please hold it. What's up, everybody? Here's the lights. Yeah, once again, here's the stuff. Yeah. It says solid yellow light, flashing yellow light. Yeah, it kind of helps you with the lights. If you need help, yeah, I kind of have technical problems. You also could email them or call them. I don't know, but yeah, this is one of the reasons you could need help. But this thing might kind of help you or something. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah. Oh yeah, we got the Wyze. They have Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. You can subscribe to them because they have a support channel in there. Yeah. And this is at Wyze Cam. Yeah. Somebody must have invented it. It's not working. I wonder if I'm doing it right. It's getting hot to me. Yeah, here's the cam once again. Yeah, this is like 26 bucks because we got a 25 gift card and we just decided to spend it for a cam. Yeah, it's taking so long. Now it's taking so long. But please, you hold, okay? What's up, everybody? I fixed my problem. My problem was that I used 5G and 5G did not work. So what happened was, I'm going to tell you. So what happened was I had to use 2.4 and I didn't have to use 5G and it did work. Okay, so now we're done. So we got to put Wyze for Wyze, I don't know. Your update sucks. So start. Okay, let me see. Okay, see the live stream? In 3, 2, 1, we should be able to see. Okay, it's connecting. Okay, okay, this is live. Oh, we have to update the version. Upgrade. Okay, please do not turn off power off your camera during firmware upgrade. Yeah, it's on. It's on once again 4%. So yeah, you see it. Yeah, it's updating firmware. Once again, the camera's right here, plugged in. Yeah, it's just updating. I'm gonna hold till it's complete update, like 9% or 95. Yeah, please hold, please. What's up, everybody? The update been installed. It says your firmware has been up to date. It says installed version 4.9. Hello, 4.9.1.60. Yeah, and yeah, it's up to date. We're gonna go head back, and we're live. Oh, that battery. Hello. Oh, it's connecting. Okay, yep, it's moving. We're live, it's working. Yep. So if I want to face it to me. Hello? Oh yeah, this is me recording. Hi, my name is Edward. Oh, hello, my name is Dito. Yeah, it's me recording it. Once again, it's so glitchy. Yeah, so glitchy. Well, that was pretty much it. Hello? Wait. What are you doing? What are you doing? They're speaking. That's how you speak. And this is what you do. You have to make sure the audio's up. Yeah, you can hear the audio capturing. And you can also... yeah, that's pretty much it. You make a full screen. Boom. You're watching everything going active. Yeah, it's just kind of glitchy, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. That's it. That's for today's unboxing vid. I hope you guys enjoy, and peace out, everybody.